Hello guys, welcome to Bukit Asam, one of the hidden hiking area in Kedah, Malaysia. So today we are going to hike this hill and let's see what we can experience. As I make my way up, I've entered a lush rubber garden. These tall, net rows of trees create such a scenic atmosphere. It's like stepping into a different world for me. This is something fascinating for me. I have come across a worker harvesting rubber trees, and the process is so delicate. They make precise cuts in the bark and the latex slowly flows into the small cup. Even in the middle of the rubber garden, it's quite surprise for me. I can see there is a small house, so it feels like a hidden sanctuary in the heart of nature. So I am continuing my climb through these peaceful settings of the nature. In the rubber garden, you have to remember one thing. When you will reach to the rubber garden, there will be a lot of mosquito. So be sure that you have at least one full sleeves, at least t-shirt or sweater. So I have one sweater, so I will wear this, because if you see here, the mosquito already start kissing me. So this is actually very dangerous. So I will not take that risk, because mosquito is not safe and good for us. So let's wear this and move. Though it's kind of a hot, but you have no choice. As I move higher, it's going to be more difficult for me because the trail goes steeper. And I also sometimes confused to choose the way, because there's a lot of way and I don't know which way is the right to go up. And I decided to keep move forward. Finally, I made it to the top. And the view is simply incredible. And see this, the beauty of nature. It's like now I am feeling that my every step worth it. Just amazing, just wow. Sometimes I feel I lost, because it's really new for me, and nobody is there actually. So it's totally empty, and sometimes there is like 2-3 ways. So I don't know which way is the right, but I just gaze and moving. Thankfully, I have found the right path as I make my way down. The view of the ground below is just as stunning as I climb up. So it's been an unforgettable journey, and I can't wait for my next adventure. Thank you very much for joining me on this hike, and don't forget to support me, and hopefully see you in the next video.